Can you see yourself in the 2019 Landrover Discovery Sport? With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a view of this boldly stylish Land Rover Discovery Sport, the compact luxury SUV that offers impressive off-road capability and upscale comfort. Equipped with all-wheel drive, a plush cabin, and desirable safety and infotainment features, this intrepid exploration machine is sublimely satisfying to drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, premium sound system, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors. Take premium luxury along on every adventure in this beautifully crafted Discovery Sport. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.